back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my hair again. So every week I basically just do a bunch of different combinations of stuff to see if I can get a good wash and go out of my products, and then just honestly find the different ways to use the same stuff that I already have, because I want to use up stuff before I go out and buy more stuff. So again, this week I'm going to use the Garnier Whole Blends, the maple one, in conjunction with the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink curling gel. Miracle Curls from Ozzy is the cream pudding. This pudding is a moisturizer and like a styling product in one, but I don't think it's going to give me a lot of hold. I've only used this like once before, but it isn't a lot of products. But if you're interested to see how these products work in my hair and how they make my short, curls look, then keep on watching the video. So I just did these two sections. I'm basically just putting the leave-in conditioner on all sides of my hair. I sectioned it off into 4 sections. And I'm just basically putting leave-in conditioner and working it in, and then basically wrapping it back up. The texture of this pudding is kind of like, I don't know, it gives me a little bit of definition, like it's making my curls pop, but they're still not super defined, and you can tell I'm still getting a lot of frizz. I'm just finger coiling the longer parts of my hair, because the parts that get longer, it's a little harder because I'm still in that in-between stage. finally. Me doing the 4 sections actually helped my hair a little bit better. It got me through this process way faster. Just a quick, I guess, overview. The curls, this stuff is super moisturizing. Like I said, I used it once or twice before just as a moisturizer, and it gave me a little bit of definition, more than I was looking for. But when it dried on its own, it kind of left my hair kind of crunchy. So I knew that this would give me a little bit of hold, but it still gave me like a frizz type of thing. So it wasn't enough hold, if that makes sense. So that's why I wanted to pair it with the Flaxseed gel. So I used this, and these two work together really, really well. One thing I do want to say is this is my second time using this. It's the second or third, I don't know, but I used it last week in my wash and go, and using it this time, the way I used it, I put it in a full section instead of sectioning it all the way through, and I let it kind of like dissolve into my hair and let it work itself in. So because of that, I don't know, like my hair felt moisturized in those sections, but I don't know if it was the fact that my hair was no longer like super wet, or maybe, I don't know, like it just didn't feel completely through and through moisturized, like every single strand. And that could just be a lack of me like putting it all the way through my hair, like, because I applied it to chunkier sections. So that was one thing. But when I used it the last time, even the sections that I said before that I felt that weren't as moisturized, they ended up lasting longer. The moisture ended up lasting longer than I expected it to. So all 3 of these together, this is the result that I got. If you can see that, I don't even know if you can see it. Hold on. One thing I do want to say is, I feel like I say this every wash and go, like when I go through my products, like I feel like it feels like certain parts are going to be frizzy. Like looking in the front here, like these sections, I went through and apply a product, like twirl them or whatever, recoil them, but like I still have like stuff like this, and I know that part's going to be frizzy. Like I can feel it. As always, we have to wait to see how it dries, and we can get a full effect, and I can come back and show how my hair turned out. So stay tuned for that. So this is my hair so far. I did my edges in there dry. I literally just took off my scarf. This is what it's looking like so far. Hopefully it looks good on camera, because it looks pretty good right here, but my hair is probably only like 50% dry. Like the ends are dry, but my roots are still super wet. So my roots are still wet, but the product has cleared from being white so far. I hope you can see this. Yeah, when my hair still moves like that, I know it's still wet. Still got some weight on it. I hate my hair. It's ugly. It's like super like crunchy in a bad way, because it got definition but no definition at the same time. But my hair is like super my roots are dry, but they're bushy, so they're not laid or anything. They're not defined at the root. So I feel like eventually over the next few days, my hair is going to end up being super bushy. It's like defined and not defined at the same time. Like it's a really, really, really weird like combination of whatever this is. I don't know. Like I like crunch because it gives me definition, but in this case it's just there for the sake of being there. It doesn't feel like my hair is overly like consumed with products though. It's really moisturized, so even though it has like the crunchy cast on it, it's not like a cast of like product that's like crackling every time I move my head. Definitely no flakes or anything. So this combination of products, it gives you definition and it gives you hold and all of that good stuff, but like the parts that I feel like were going to be frizzy, they're not completely frizzy, but but they're not completely defined either. So like, I don't know, I knew something was going to be a little off, like especially with my side pieces. Like a lot of them aren't defined, the pieces on the sides of my head. It's not apparent because my hair is shiny and it's full of like shine and it looks healthy, but it's just not what I want, and I low-key want to wash my hair. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let it rock for a couple more days. So yeah, I'm just going to end the video here. And hopefully you like the video of me failing. I think this was a fail, but yeah, so please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nell B, what you're watching. I sound so lame. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below what you think about my hair, or what you think I could have did differently, or you know, I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good day.